In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy project on Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your site goes live with confidence. Before we start, a quick note. This walkthrough assumes your project is already connected to Netlify, either through a Git provider or an existing site configuration. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log in first so you can access your dashboard. First, head over to netlify.com. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. This is your home base for everything related to your deployments and settings. If you have many projects, use the search bar at the top or sort by recent activity to find the one you want to deploy. Make sure you select the correct project, especially if you manage multiple environments like staging and production. Next, click on your project. This opens the project overview, where you'll find high-level details like the site name, the latest deploy status, and quick actions. If your site uses environment variables or build settings, make sure those were already set previously. The deploy you're about to trigger will use whatever configuration is currently saved. Now, navigate to the deploy section. You'll usually find this as a tab near the top of the project page. The deploys page is where you can see your full deploy history, including whether a build passed or failed, how long it took, and which commit or branch it came from. This timeline is your best friend when diagnosing issues or confirming that your latest changes went live. Look for the Trigger Deploy control, typically a button with a small drop-down near the top right of the deploys page. Click the drop-down to reveal the available actions. This menu lets you request a fresh build without pushing new code, which is useful if you've updated environment variables, changed a build plugin, or want to rebuild with the current commit. Choose Deploy Project. The moment you click, Netlify starts a new build and deployment using your project's existing settings. You'll see a new entry appear in the deploy list with a status like building or in progress. Click into that deploy to watch real-time logs. Pay attention to the build output. It will show each step, from installing dependencies to running your build command and uploading assets. When the deploy completes, you'll see a success indicator and a public URL for the published deploy. If anything fails, scan the logs for error messages, fix the issue in your code or configuration, and then trigger another deploy. And that's it. Your project is now deployed on Netlify. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping.